with Poppy. I just woke up. It was about 9:30 and it is my day off today, so I thought I would show you guys what a typical day in my life is like. So I just got up, did my skincare routine, and I'm planning on going to the gym to do a workout, and then I need to go shopping at Kmart, and then yeah, I'm not sure what's planned for the rest of the day, but I will figure something out. So I've just arrived at the gym and I'm planning on doing some cardio. I'm trying to get into running, and last week I ran 5 kilometers without stopping for the first time since I was like 14. I'm gonna try to do that again today but beat my time from last week. So I'm trying to get under 30 minutes. So yeah, let's go work out. So I just finished at the gym. That was actually a really good workout. I did 5 kilometers on the treadmill in 24 minutes and 45 seconds, which is my new personal best. And then I did some stretching because I've lost a lot of flexibility, especially my back. So I've been trying to train that a lot lately to get it back. That was really hard. I feel like pushing up into a bridge is like the hardest thing ever. It is lunchtime now, so I'm going to make some breakfast slash lunch. I'm gonna have some peanut butter on toast, a berry smoothie, and then some oats as well. I just finished playing some online games with Brad. He's gotten me into a little bit of gaming, but it's actually really fun. So we played a few games together and now he's gone off to work, so I'm going to do some editing. So it is now time for my late lunch, and I'm going to be having 2 turkey rissoles on some wraps. So it is just after 5 p.m. and I'm going to take my dog Poppy for a walk. Do you want to go for a walk? Come on. I'm like fully dressed up in my snow jacket, my snow socks, and my snowshoes, and they've been a lifesaver this winter. But to be honest, it's not even that cold. It's about 13 degrees Celsius right now, but I'm a bit of a wuss when it comes to the cold, so I'm all rugged up.
Saw beauty in the selflessness of giving, heard sorrow in the songs of 1,000 merchantmen, singing just to fill their emptiness.
So I just got back from my walk and Mum just arrived home from work, and now it is Mum's favourite time of the day, which is pajama time! So we're gonna get into our pajamas and then cook dinner together. So it is currently 11 p.m. and I just got ready for bed. After dinner I just spent the rest of the evening on the computer doing some editing because I have a lot of videos coming up. I have work tomorrow, so I have to wake up at 6 a.m. to do my workout. So I'm going to be really tired, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Good night.